very hospitable people of Brutu Federal Constituency, Mr. Speaker, and from Delta State. A motion on the gruesome murder of a mother and her son in Brutu Federal Constituency. The House notes with grief and is alarmed at the gruesome killing of a woman, Mrs. Anatorofa, and her son, Mr. Dotimi, on Monday, 3rd July 2017, in their home at Ayakrumo, Brutu Federal Constituency, by persons who are yet to be identified. Regret that the latest killing is coming at a time when the federal government is working assiduously to improve on the effectiveness of the security architecture in our coastal communities of the Niger Delta region. Further note that the son of the late Mrs. Anatorofa, at the time of his unexpected assassination, was a student of
Honorable Adekoya, please.
Delta State Polytechnic Ogara, whose education was being sponsored by his mother, whom was also murdered along with him on that fateful day. We have observed that at this moment, the police and other security agencies to which the incident has been reported are yet to apprehend the gunmen who mindlessly killed mother and son. The House believes that since democracy is not synonymous with impunity and liberal insecurity, but with the rule of law, the Nigerian state has a duty to protect and defend the citizen at all times. And whenever there are infringements, it is also incumbent on the state to bring to swift justice those who kill and violate the rights of others. And convinced that any unjust and unwarranted injury done to any Nigerian in any part of the country without due process of law is also injury done to the collective dignity and psyche of other Nigerians. Resolve, Mr. Speaker, condemn the heinous killing of Mr. Anatorofa and her son, Mr. Dotimi of Brutu Federal Constituency, and condole with the family of the deceased. Observe a minute of silence for the souls departed. Implore the Inspector General of Police to order and institute an immediate investigation into the killing and swiftly apprehend and prosecute the culprit in accordance with the efficiency that has now lately begun to define the effectiveness and efficiency of the Nigerian police under the leadership of the IGP Ibrahim Idris. Mr. Speaker, honorable colleagues, I so move.
Any seconder? Fred.
Hello, colleagues. Agbedi Yetiemne Frederick is my name. I represent Sagbama Ikirima Federal Constituency. Zonkeme, I am from Bayelsa State. Mr. Speaker, honorable colleagues, I rise to second the motion as ably moved. I so second.
Honorable Pondi, in 2 minutes, let's hear your motion.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, honorable colleagues. My name is Julius Pondi from Brutu Federal Constituency. Mr. Speaker, it's a very straightforward motion. The mother and son was killed while they were doing their routine business of going to fish. Mr. Speaker, the mother, Anatorofa, is a fisherwoman that fish to feed her family. Mr. Speaker, since this incident occurred, my constituents have been thrown into mourning, particularly people of Ayakrumo community. Mr. Speaker, this is the Nigerian people's house.
Chairman.
This is the house of the common man. This is the house
of the
defenseless
Chair,
people.
please.
Mr. Speaker, all this motion is saying is justice. That the Nigerian police should investigate and bring the killers of Anatorofa and
Honorable Babangida
to justice. This is coming at a time when so many other crimes are being carried out in my
John Day,
constituency,
please.
particularly
Honorable John Day.
in the Ribara area.
One
Mr.
house,
Speaker,
please.
Honorable colleagues, I want to implore this House to join me in supporting this motion to ensure that the Inspector General of Police, as a matter of urgency, institute a panel, institute a team to investigate and bring the culprit, the people that assassinated a mother and son defenseless people to justice. When that is done, Mr. Speaker, it will serve as a deterrence to other people. I so move, Mr. Speaker. Thank you.
Those in favor of the motion say aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. Let us now observe 1 minute of silence for the two motions that we are taking. May the souls of the departed rest in perfect peace.